This channel has 28 videos. That's it, 28, and it's already monetized, pulling in views you'd expect from channels with 500 uploads. 13 million views on one video, 1.4 million on another, some sitting at 1 million. I'm not making that up. You can check it yourself on Social Blade right now. The channel's called Milo the Rat. Go look. And here's the part that should bother you. You could have built that channel because every single one of those videos made with free tools, AI generated, no camera, no studio, no budget. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, completely for free. Stay until the end, because the editing part is where most people get it wrong, and I'm going to fix that for you. Section 1. Why Shorts first? Before we touch any tool, let's talk strategy, because skipping this is why most people waste weeks going nowhere. Shorts, not long videos. Shorts first. Why? Because shorts grow faster. They get pushed harder by the algorithm, and they hit the monetization threshold quicker than any other format right now. Once you're monetized on shorts, you scale into long form. That's the play. And here's the beautiful thing. Shorts are the easiest AI content to produce at zero cost. So that's what we're building today. Section 2. The script. All right. First tool, ChatGPT. Open it up. Now here's where people go wrong. They just type, "Write me a video script." That gives you garbage output that sounds like a robot reading a textbook. Instead, you're going to train ChatGPT on the exact style of content you want to make. Here's how. Find 2 or 3 YouTube channels whose video style you want to copy. Get their channel links. Now paste this prompt into ChatGPT, and I mean this exact structure. Analyze the content style of these YouTube channels and identify what makes their short-form videos retain viewers. Then generate a 150-word story script in that exact style, along with scene-by-scene image prompts and video prompts for each scene. Then drop your channel links underneath. ChatGPT will analyze those channels, the tone, the pacing, the hooks, and mirror it in the output. What you get back? A full 150-word script, image generation prompts for every scene, and video motion prompts, all formatted, all ready to use. That's your content skeleton, built in under 2 minutes. Section 3. Image generation. Now we bring the script to life visually. Go to Leonardo AI. It's free, no payment needed to get started. Click Start Now. Then go to Image Generation. Here's the key setting most people miss. Change the model to Phoenix 1.0. I use this in every single project. The detail and realism it outputs is genuinely on another level. Next, and this is critical for shorts, set your aspect ratio to 9:16. Vertical. Always vertical. Now take each image prompt that ChatGPT generated and paste them in one by one. Don't rush this part. Each scene gets its own image. The quality should be HD. If it looks off, regenerate. You get daily free credits, so use them. By the end of this step, you'll have a full set of scene images, cinematic, consistent, and ready for animation. Section 4. Video generation. Here's where your static images become actual video clips. 2 options. Use one or both. Option 1. freevideogen.online. Go to the site. Upload your first scene image. Paste the video motion prompt from ChatGPT in the field below it. Set your clip duration. I keep it between 1 to 5 seconds per scene, depending on what the motion looks like. Hit Generate. The output is clean, cinematic camera movement, the kind of quality that doesn't look free, but is. Do this for every single scene image. Option 2. Flow Labs. Search Flow Labs on Google and open the first result. Click New Project Arrow Start. Upload your image. Click the 3 dots. Arrow Add Prompt. Paste your video prompt. What I love about Flow Labs, you can queue multiple images at once. Upload all your scenes back to back, add each prompt, and let them all generate simultaneously. Saves you serious time. Both tools give you excellent results. I'd try both on the same scene and pick whichever output looks better for that specific shot. Section 5. AI Voiceover. Your visuals are done. Now you need a voice. The platform is called Unlimited AI Tools. And yes, it's free. Take your script, the 150-word story ChatGPT wrote, and paste it in. You'll see a list of voice options. The one I always come back to is Blaze. It sounds the most natural. Not robotic, not overproduced, just clean and human. Select Blaze. Hit Generate Voice. In under a minute, you've got a professional-sounding voiceover that sounds like a real narrator recorded it in a studio. Download it. Keep it ready for the edit. This is the step that separates a video that dies at 20% retention from one that holds 70% plus. Open CapCut. Import all your video clips and your voiceover file. Now build your timeline. First, sync your clips to the voiceover. Every scene change should land on a beat or a pause in the audio. Watch your pacing. If a scene sits too long, the viewer is already gone. Second, transitions. Don't go overboard. A sharp cut at the right moment hits harder than any fancy transition. Use smooth fades only when the mood needs to breathe. Third, add your text animations. Bold, punchy, timed to the voiceover. These reinforce the message and keep eyes on screen. Fourth, background music. Keep it low. The voiceover carries the story. Music is atmosphere, not competition. Fifth, color grade. CapCut's built-in cinematic filters are actually solid. Pick one that matches your video's mood and apply it consistently across every clip. Export at the highest resolution available. Your short is done. Now you know the full pipeline. From script to screen, completely free. But here's the thing. The tools don't matter if your hooks aren't stopping the scroll in the first 2 seconds. In my next video, I'm going to break down the exact hook formulas that are getting AI shorts pushed by the algorithm right now, and show you why most creators are writing their first line completely wrong. Click the video right here. I'll show you exactly what to say.